Plea has been filed in the Supreme Court challenging P. Sadashivan's appointment as Kerala Governor. Meenakshi Bhanja joins us with more details. Yes, Meenakshi.
Well, yes, just moments back, this plea has been filed in the Supreme Court, which is challenging the former Chief Justice's appointment as Governor, calling it violative of Article 124, Part 7 of the Constitution. It is quoting from that article. The plea goes on to state, and I quote, that no person who has held office of judge of Supreme Court shall plead or act in any court or in any authority within the territory of India, unquote. Alongside what essentially this plea is also seeking is that the Supreme Court take note of this appointment, declare it as unconstitutional, and also the plea demands that no such appointment take place without the consultation of the Chief Justice of India, of the Chief Justice of the respective High Court or the Chief Justice of India. That is the prayer and the relief that this plea is seeking, and it is likely perhaps to be mentioned before the Supreme Court on Monday.
But Meenakshi, there are a lot of instances in the past where somebody who's held a judicial position has held positions of authority.
Well, insofar as this particular plea is concerned, and also with special emphasis of former Chief Justice's case, there has only been one instance where somebody held the position post of a judge, which was Fatima Bibi, who was then subsequently also given another post, which was there. But even in Fatima Bibi's case, there was a case of a cooling off period. A lot of jurists dropped the point of view in this particular appointment, like for instance Ram Jethmalani, who we have spoken to in the past, who is a very, very sharp legal luminary, and he is of the opinion that in the case of Justice Sadashivan's appointment, one, he is not supportive of such an appointment, and secondly, he emphasizes that there has not been any cooling off period. You'll recall it was only in April this year that Justice Sadashivan, the then Chief Justice, had taken office. There has been no cooling off period to even eliminate any dog or any suspicion of a quid pro quo. So therefore, insofar as this particular appointment is concerned, it has drawn a lot of remarks, it has drawn a lot of criticism, and it is an appointment which has generated a lot of debate and scrutiny. And today we have seen a plea being filed in the Supreme Court, which is now raising the constitutional point insofar as the validity aspect of such an appointment is concerned. It is clearly stating from Article 124, Part 7 of the Constitution, going on to say that this appointment, as per the Constitution, is also violative of the principles that Constitution enshrines.
Now, how does this move forward now, Meenakshi? Is there a time frame that we can expect any progress on this plea that's been filed, this petition that's been filed?
Well, we are looking at the end of working day on Friday and over the weekend, because it is not a plea of that urgent nature. Perhaps the Supreme Court will not intervene. But early Monday morning, we are looking at urgent mentioning before the top court with regards to this plea. And perhaps then it will get further more clarity whether the Supreme Court is looking to entertain it right away, or whether the Supreme Court will post it for a further date of hearing, or the Supreme Court will go ahead and dismiss it.